Elevate your vision, redefining business with Digital Innovation Hub. Welcome to a bold new era of business. In today's fast-paced digital universe, success is no longer just an inspiration. It's a mindset fueled by innovation, strategy, and action at Digital Innovation Hub. We don't just help brands compete, we empower them to it together. Let's transform your vision into reality and redefine what's possible for your business. Why digital innovation is non-negotiable? The business landscape is evolving rapidly. Conventional methods they are obsolete. Digital transformation isn't just an option, is the foundation of success in this new age. With Digital Innovation Hub, you will be equipped to expand your influence, reach, attract global audience, resonate authentically, build lasting connection with your customers, elevate your brand, position yourself as a true industry leader in the digital world. Opportunity are endless, but for us, execution is key. That's why we are here to give your business the competitive edge it deserves. Why choose Digital Innovation Hub? 1. Global impact. We design strategies that take your brand beyond border and create a lasting global presence. 2. Smart investment. Maximize ROI with cost-effective digital strategies that outperform traditional advertising. 3. Possession targeting. We connect you with your ideal audience through data-driven analytics and innovative marketing techniques. 4. Actionable insights, real-time analytics and trends ensure your growth is strategic, measurable and sustainable. Our game-changing services, brand evolution, design distinct, memorable brands, identities that leave a lasting impression. Impactful campaigns dominate platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Google apps with high-performing campaigns that inspire action, engaging content from visually stunning design to thought-provoking blog. We create content that captivates and sells. Web solution achieve top rankings on search engine with high-performance website. Optimize for success, data power, insights, turn raw data into actionable strategies. Feel that consistent exponential growth. Your journey to success start here. 1. Share your vision. Let's explore your goals and align on your expression to craft your strategies. Receive a tailor-made roadmap design. 2. Exit your expectation. 3. See results was as your brand grows, thrives and sets new benchmark insights. Your industry, our literacy, your inspiration from startups to leading enterprises. Digital Innovation Hub has transformed countless brands into market leaders. Your success story would be next. Let's make it happen. Let's shift the future together. Success knows no boundary with Digital Innovation Hub. By your side, whether you're just starting out or taking your brand to the next level, will help you navigate the digital landscape with confidence. Digital Innovation Hub, we are not just your agency, we are partner in success. Stay connected and thrive. WhatsApp 01914900325. Email digitalinnovationhubinfo@gmail.com. Follow us Instagram, thread, Twitter, X, YouTube, Facebook. Join our community app Innovator. Stay ahead of the curve by following our Facebook page and subscribing to our YouTube channel for exclusive strategies, update and success story. Together let's innovate, inspire and lead.